Yes, hello guys, how are you? Today I want to show you how we are making money on this application just watching adverts. How we are making money on this application just watching adverts. Let me go straight to my earning history so that you can be able to realize that people are making money. Yes, let me go to withdraw history so that you can see that it is true you make money and then you withdraw this money. Yes, so you can see the money that I have withdrawn: 69,000, 25, 57, 70k. So you can realize that I'm earning a lot of money and withdrawing this money. Yes, let me scroll down for you. You can see the money that I'm making on this application. Okay, you can see that they are paying me this money.